You've likely encountered Smartsheet in the realm of project management and collaborative work. Perhaps you've even used it. But what kind of system is it, really? Is it just a fancy spreadsheet in the cloud? The answer, as you'll discover, is far more nuanced and powerful. As a project management expert, I'm here to demystify Smartsheet and explain why it's a versatile platform that goes beyond simple data organization. At its core, Smartsheet leverages the familiar interface of a spreadsheet. This is a deliberate design choice that makes it incredibly accessible to a wide range of users. Most people have some experience with spreadsheets, making the learning curve for Smartsheet significantly less steep than dedicated project management software with complex interfaces. You'll find rows and columns, the ability to input data, and familiar formulas. However, to categorize Smartsheet merely as a spreadsheet would be a significant understatement, akin to calling a smartphone just a phone. Smartsheet transcends the limitations of traditional spreadsheets by layering on robust features specifically designed for managing projects, automating workflows, and fostering collaboration. It's this blend of spreadsheet familiarity with powerful, purpose-built functionalities that positions Smartsheet as a dynamic and adaptable work management platform. Think of a traditional spreadsheet. It's excellent for organizing data, performing calculations, and creating basic charts. But when you try to use it for complex project management, you quickly encounter limitations. Tracking dependencies between tasks becomes cumbersome. Managing resources is a manual and often error-prone process, and real-time collaboration can be a nightmare with multiple versions floating around. This is where Smartsheet shines. It takes the intuitive structure of a spreadsheet and infuses it with the intelligence and features of a project management system. Let's break down some of the key characteristics that define what type of system Smartsheet truly is. 1. A collaborative work management platform. This is perhaps the most accurate and encompassing description of Smartsheet. It's designed to facilitate teamwork and streamline work processes across individuals and teams. Multiple users can simultaneously access and edit sheets, ensuring everyone is working with the most up-to-date information. Features like comments, file attachments, and automated update requests enhance communication and keep everyone on the same page. This collaborative nature extends beyond simple data entry, allowing for shared ownership and accountability within projects. 2. A project and task management tool. At its heart, Smartsheet excels at organizing and tracking projects and tasks. You can define tasks, assign owners, set deadlines, track progress, and manage dependencies visually using Gantt charts. The ability to link tasks and set up critical paths provides a clear overview of project timelines and potential roadblocks. Features like resource management allow you to allocate team members to specific tasks and monitor their capacity, ensuring efficient utilization of resources. 3. A workflow automation engine. Smartsheet isn't just about static data. It's about dynamic processes. Its powerful automation capabilities allow you to create rules that trigger actions based on specific events or criteria. For example, you can automate notifications when a task is completed, send reminders for upcoming deadlines, or move tasks between different stages based on their status. These automations significantly reduce manual effort, minimize errors, and ensure consistent execution of processes. 4. A data collection and reporting hub. Smartsheet provides various ways to collect data, from simple form inputs to more complex integrations with other systems. Once data is collected, it can be easily visualized through customizable dashboards and reports. These visual representations provide valuable insights into project progress, resource allocation, and overall performance. The ability to generate real-time reports makes it easy to track key metrics and make data-driven decisions. 5. A flexible and scalable solution. One of Smartsheet's key strengths is its adaptability. It can be used for a wide range of projects and workflows, from simple task lists to complex, multifaceted initiatives. Its scalability allows it to grow with your needs, whether you're a small team managing a few projects or a large organization with numerous ongoing initiatives. The platform offers different subscription tiers and features to cater to various organizational sizes and complexities. Beyond the labels, while we can categorize Smartsheet using terms like collaborative work management platform or project and task management tool. It's important to understand that its true value lies in its integrated nature. It seamlessly blends the familiarity of a spreadsheet with the power of project management, automation, and collaboration features. For someone learning about project management or looking for a tool to organize their work, Smartsheet offers a gentle yet powerful entry point. The spreadsheet interface provides a comfortable foundation, while the added functionalities introduce key project management concepts in a practical and accessible way. You can start with simple task lists and gradually explore more advanced features as your understanding and needs evolve. Similarly, for educators looking for tools to teach project management principles, Smartsheet provides a hands-on environment where students can learn about task breakdown structures, dependencies, timelines, resource allocation, and progress tracking without being overwhelmed by overly complex software.